Alright guys, so we've heard they've discontinued the V8s on the Land Cruisers now. So which is quite cool about that, well quite cool, is that you can actually just keep your V8 and bring it here to LCH and we restore it for you and make it brand new. So like you saw in our last video with the brown one, we had a 2014 model and we restored it as well. This is also a 2014 model that we've done a full restoration on. So we've taken off the bumper, sanded it down, wrapped a coat of the bumper in front, given the winch a service, put that back, upgraded the fog lights, sorted out the LEDs that weren't working, after a long trip. We've done the wheel arches with our Raptor coating to finish it off nicely. We serviced the diffs in front, we've serviced the gearbox, we've done those power brakes, so about 10 years old, one of the first big brake kits, and they're still working like they were from day one. We've done the side steps, nice little touch on the side steps. We've just matched the white with the Land Cruiser white as well. We've got our front runner roof rack on. We did a brand new roof rack on this vehicle. Put our side working lights, so if they get to the farm or something at night, they can just open up on the inside. The nice thing about, once again, quality products. So sometimes it can take a bit of time to open the back and you want to get something out quick. So we've got a set of custom cutter rails with our custom canvas. Obviously it's got some zips with Velcro that close it up nicely. So you just open it up and you've got hinged cutter rails. We can also do seats at the back for hunting and that sort of stuff. Easily accessed. You can get to everything without opening the spare wheel at the back. So that makes using your vehicle a bit easier. What we've done with this one, it had a camper on as well, is we did anti-rust treatment back down on the chassis. We've taken out some leaf springs, softened the ride a little bit, adjusted the suspension for what we needed. We've also got here on this side of the vehicle, you'll see we've done our Safari Armac snorkel for nice airflow, and we have our, just come around to the front, you'll see it, we've got our ultra LED 40-inch light bar on top there. What's nice about this light bar is it incorporates both yellow and white lights. It has that updated radio we're talking about. It's just a new Toyota radio that we put in. Other than that, she's perfectly good and ready for a few 100,000 kilometers again. So you're more than welcome to contact us. This is what we specialize in. We bring your vehicle back to life.